How to clear cache on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove all the temporary files. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold onto it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So we are in this app info. Basically, this is the place where you can make different changes about the app. Here on the right bottom, tap on clear data. So here there are two different options, clear all data or clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache and hit on OK. So it will take some time. Now all the temporary files are completely gone from this app. Now you can simply go back and restart this app and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.